Get ready for an extraordinary journey through the land of fire and ice. Welcome to our whirlwind 7-day Icelandic adventure itinerary. As we embark on this unforgettable odyssey, keep in mind that Iceland's beauty is as diverse as its folklore. Marvel at cascading waterfalls, explore black sand beaches, and witness the dance of the northern lights. Whether you're chasing waterfalls, exploring the wonders of Diamond Beach, or delving into the vibrant city of Reykjavik, each day promises a new adventure. So let the magic of Iceland captivate your senses. Let's dive in. Day 1. Reykjavik arrival and Blue Lagoon bliss. Morning. Touching down at Keflavik International Airport, the Icelandic adventure begins with the early morning air carrying the promise of exploration. Most international flights land in the AM hours, making the Blue Lagoon an ideal first stop. A brief 1-hour transfer transports you to the iconic geothermal spa, where pre-booked tickets ensure a seamless entry. As you soak in the warm embrace of the geothermal spa, surrounded by steam rising into the Icelandic sky, you'll find solace and energy after your flight. Amidst volcanic landscapes, the warm embrace of the Blue Lagoon becomes the perfect start, offering rejuvenation while awaiting hotel check-in in the vibrant city of Reykjavik. Following your blissful soak, relish a late gourmet lunch at Lava Restaurant, nestled on-site and known for crafting Icelandic specialties with local ingredients. Late afternoon/evening, head back to Reykjavik, the vibrant heart of Iceland. Begin your exploration by marveling at the iconic Hallgrímskirkja church, offering both external beauty and panoramic city views from its summit. Leisurely stroll along Reykjavik harbor where boats bob gently, sea breezes beckon, and enticing seafood restaurants line the waterfront. Conclude your first day with a delightful dinner at Fiskmarkaðurinn, celebrated for its inventive seafood dishes crafted from the freshest local ingredients. Day 2. Golden Circle Enchantment and Northern Lights at Ion Adventure Hotel. Morning. Check out of your Reykjavik hotel and set out early to embark on the Golden Circle journey, a scenic route featuring a spectacular trio of natural wonders. Begin today's adventure with a scenic drive of approximately 40 miles to Thingvellir National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where the continental plates drift apart. Wander through the Almannagjá Fault, a geological wonder, and explore the historical site of Iceland's ancient parliament. Afternoon. Continue your journey, covering about 50 miles to the majestic Gullfoss waterfall, where the Vita River cascades dramatically into a canyon, and then to the geyser geothermal area, where you'll encounter hot springs and the famous Strákur geyser, which erupts every few minutes. To break up the drive, make a stop at the popular Friedheimer tomato greenhouse for a unique lunch experience surrounded by the cultivation of tomatoes. The greenhouse setting adds a special touch to your meal. Evening. After lunch, continue exploring the Golden Circle, making your way to the iconic Ion Adventure Hotel. This hotel offers a chance to witness the northern lights during the fall to early spring months, so be sure to check the forecast. Consider dining at Linden Restaurant, known for serving local delicacies, to end the day. Day 3. Explore the Golden Circle's hidden gems. Morning. After a comfortable night's sleep, you'll wake up to the unique ambiance of Iceland's picturesque landscape. Start your day with a hearty breakfast at the hotel, preparing for the adventures that lie ahead. For those eager to explore more hidden gems of the Golden Circle, consider visiting Carrad Crater Lake. This volcanic crater, filled with vibrant blue water, offers a mesmerizing sight. Take a leisurely stroll around the crater's rim, appreciating the geological wonders that characterize Iceland. Alternatively, if you're in the mood for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience, venture to Reykjavik Hot Spring. Accessible by a scenic hike, Reykjavik is a geothermal wonder where you can bathe in warm, natural hot springs amid stunning landscapes. Don't forget to pack your swimsuit for this immersive and soothing escape. Afternoon. Next, make your way to the charming town of Selfoss. Located on the banks of the Ölfusa River, Selfoss offers a delightful mix of local culture and history. Explore the town center, visit the local shops, and perhaps indulge in a light lunch at one of the quaint cafes. Selfoss provides a more relaxed atmosphere compared to the bustling city of Reykjavik. Evening, return to the Ion Adventure Hotel for another night of comfort. Staying at the hotel is an experience in itself. With its stunning architecture and commitment to sustainability, the hotel is a destination that seamlessly blends with the surrounding natural beauty. As the evening unfolds, take advantage of the hotel's unique offerings. Depending on the season, you might have the opportunity to participate in excursions organized by the hotel, such as Northern Lights tours or stargazing experiences. Day 4, Waterfall Wonders and Serenity, road trip to Vik. Morning, bid farewell to the hotel, setting out on an enthralling road trip along Iceland's southern coast. Your initial stop is the captivating Seljalandsfoss, a renowned waterfall that allows for a unique experience. Walking behind the cascading water, feel the mist on your face as you traverse the trail behind the falls, capturing the enchanting beauty from an immersive perspective. Continue your journey to the mighty Skogafoss, a majestic waterfall boasting a dramatic 200-foot drop. In winter, Skogafoss transforms into a frozen wonderland, creating an ethereal scene of ice and icicles. The powerful flow of water, framed by towering cliffs, makes Skogafoss a captivating spectacle throughout the year. Take your time to absorb the beauty, perhaps ascending the staircase adjacent to the falls for panoramic views of the surrounding landscape. For a unique and off-the-beaten-path experience, consider a visit to the Seljalandsfoss public swimming pool. Nestled in a scenic valley, this geothermal pool is a hidden gem, naturally heated and offering a soothing retreat amidst Iceland's rugged terrain. Afternoon, as you continue your journey, you'll find the charming town of Skogar along the way. For a delightful dining option in this vicinity, you can visit the Skogar restaurant for a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. After lunch, explore the town of Skogar. Here you can explore the museum, which offers insights into Iceland's cultural heritage. Arrive in Vik, a village known for its dramatic landscapes and iconic black sand beach. The Reynisfjara black sand beach is renowned for its striking beauty, featuring basalt columns and the Reynisdrangar sea stacks. Evening, cap off your day by finding accommodation east of Vik, positioning yourself strategically for further explorations. Consider dining at Haldorskafi, an excellent restaurant in Vik, known for its Icelandic cuisine and warm hospitality. The evening sky in Vik, away from city lights, presents an ideal opportunity for stargazing. If the conditions are right, you might even catch a glimpse of the northern lights dancing above the coastal horizon. Day 5, Diamond Beach and Glacier Lagoon Marvels. Morning. Embark on an early morning drive from Vik to Diamond Beach, embracing the beauty of Iceland's landscapes as you journey towards this mesmerizing coastal destination. Revel in the solitude of the morning drive, with the road unveiling stunning vistas along the way. Arrive at Diamond Beach and witness the enchanting spectacle of glistening ice crystals against the contrasting black sand. Take your time to explore this unique beach, capturing the magic of the ice formations and the surrounding natural beauty. Afternoon. As midday approaches, pause for a delightful lunch at Holly Country Hotel Restaurant, a charming spot conveniently situated on your route to Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Relish Icelandic culinary delights in a cozy atmosphere. Continue your journey to Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon in the afternoon. Engage in an amphibian boat tour, navigating through the floating icebergs and immersing yourself in the serene ambiance of this Arctic lagoon. Evening. As the day transitions into evening, check into the Foss Hotel Glacier Lagoon, a modern hotel with a touch of Icelandic charm. Dine at the hotel restaurant. Day 6, Vik Charms and Scenic Return. Morning. Embark on a scenic drive from Jökulsárlón to Vik, immersing yourself in the breathtaking landscapes of southern Iceland. Your first stop is the fascinating Dyrhólaey, a promontory with panoramic views of the coastline and the striking arch-shaped rock formation. Marvel at the vastness of the Atlantic Ocean and the surrounding cliffs. Afternoon. For a delightful lunch experience in Vik, consider stopping at Smidjan Brewgoose, a local brewery and restaurant. Indulge in their craft beers paired with a menu featuring fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Continue your exploration with a visit to the charming town of Reykjavik, known for its hot springs and geothermal areas. Take a stroll through the town's beautiful botanical garden filled with a variety of native plants. Enjoy the therapeutic atmosphere created by the natural hot springs that characterize this unique town. Evening. Conclude your day by returning to Reykjavik, making additional scenic stops along the way as desired. Arrive in the capital city in the evening with the option to unwind or explore more of Reykjavik's vibrant nightlife. Cap off your culinary journey at Matur og Drykur. Located in the Grandi Harbor area, this Michelin-starred restaurant is celebrated for its contemporary take on traditional Icelandic dishes. Reflect on the diverse experiences and stunning landscapes encountered throughout your Icelandic adventure. Day 7, Reykjavik, homeward bound and spa delights. Morning. Begin your morning with a leisurely breakfast at a local cafe in Reykjavik. If time allows, take a stroll through the city center, exploring any remaining landmarks or shops you may have missed. For a unique and relaxing experience, head to the luxurious Sky Lagoon. This outdoor spa combines traditional Icelandic saunas with modern amenities. Enjoy the rejuvenating geothermal springs and indulge in the 7-step sauna ritual offered with the Pure Pass. Revel in the panoramic views of the ocean and Reykjavik skyline from the lagoon's infinity edge. Afternoon, conclude your Icelandic odyssey with a scenic drive back to Keflavik International Airport for your departure. As your Icelandic adventure draws to a close, take a moment to reflect on the experiences woven throughout this captivating 7-day journey. Recognize that this itinerary, while comprehensive, only scratches the surface of Iceland's immense beauty and diversity. Use this itinerary as a starting point, allowing your interest to shape the narrative of your trip. Embrace the spirit of adventure and let the allure of Iceland linger in your memories long after your journey's end. Thank you for tuning in. Feel free to share your thoughts with us in the comments, give us a like, and subscribe for more inspiring travel ideas. Until next time, happy travels!